Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Izukimaru, aka Ninja Girl, and I'm from Japan. I started this channel to introduce authentic Japanese meal to everyone around the world, while also improving my cooking skills. After sneaking around the temple or fighting my opponents, I love to cook and I really love to eat. One flavor I cannot get enough is teriyaki. So today I will show you how to make Japanese style teriyaki chicken. This is a very simple recipe that takes around 12 minutes to make. If you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and bell icon to be notified whenever I post a new video. Now let's go! I'm gonna show you guys ingredients and seasoning. So 1 chicken thigh and 1 tablespoon of potato starch and a pinch of salt and pepper. So for the seasoning, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of mirin and 1 tablespoon of sake. So these are ingredients and seasonings. So first I'm gonna put potato starch, 1 tablespoon of potato starch into the plastic bag. Here we go. And then I'm gonna put a little bit salt and pepper. And then I'll place the entire chicken in the bag. Here we go. And then sprinkle the flour over the chicken. Okay. Shake it. Next, place frying pan over medium heat. Okay, medium heat. And start frying the chicken from the side of the skin. But I want to add a little bit oil, so from the side of the skin you can fry it. So cook for about 5 minutes. In the meanwhile, we are waiting chicken is cooked. We can combine the seasoning. So first, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of mirin. And 1 tablespoon of sake. Oh. Okay, and then I'm gonna mix it. Okay, seasoning is finished. So when the chicken has browned, turn it over. Okay. Oh, the color looks really good. And then make it lower heat. And make it a little bit lower. And cover and cook for another 5 minutes. I don't have things to cover up, so I'm gonna use this. Okay. And then I'm gonna wait like 5 minutes. Okay, let me see the chicken. chicken has cooked, I'm gonna stop the heat. Remove the cover and wipe off any excess oil from the pan. Okay. So turn the heat to medium high. Okay, medium high. And then put the seasoning to both sides. So I'm gonna put the seasoning. Ooh. Looks tasty. Yeah, I'm gonna put all of it. Make sure at the seasoning both sides. Bite-sized pieces. Place the pieces onto a plate and then put the sauce over the chicken. So finally, remove the chicken and cut it into bite-sized pieces. So let me cut the chicken. I think it's really hot though. It's really good. It looks super good. It's really hot. Wait a second. So I'm gonna place it. I'm gonna place onto a plate. Finally, it's cooked. It's finished. Just like that, you have a spectacular home cooked Japanese meal. I'm gonna put some veggie on it though. This is teriyaki chicken I cooked. Yeah! It looks really good. I cannot wait to eat. So, いただきます。This part. It's really juicy and really soft. It's really tasty. I love it. You guys gonna love it. So this is a little bit salty and also sweet. So a lot of people love this flavor, and a lot of kids in Japan love this flavor. This teriyaki chicken would go really well with the rice. So it makes me really want to eat the rice because it's really tasty, a little bit salty, so I really want to eat rice. And teriyaki flavor is really common in Japan, so if you come down, you can try teriyaki chicken burger at the McDonald's. It's really tasty, it's really delicious. So a lot of Japanese people love this burger. And also you can try teriyaki for fish. So, you know, fish version of this meal, and it's really good too. You can try this out too. I eat this up. It was really good. I couldn't stop to eat. ごちそうさまでした。Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Share this video with your friend and give me a comment if you have any Japanese meal you want to see in this video. Until next time.